Guys, ito yung lunch namin ni Lakshmi. Sa labas kami. There is Lakshmi. Kain tayo. Let's eat, guys. Sinusubo ako pa si Lakshmi. Yan yung mixed rice. Diyan ako nag-order. Punta kami sa bahay, guys. Dumaan ako sa pharmacy, Calpro Clinic, kung saan ako ay member ng Calpro Clinic. And binilhan ko si Lakshmi ng kanyang vitamin. Ito siya, Epeton. Tapos, dahil walang retinol noon, nag-Watson ako. Nakita ko itong Glad to Glow. Binili ko na siya. Tapos, hindi na ako magluluto ng aming dinner kasi mag-a-attend kami ng function. So, doon na kami mag-dinner. So, see ya! Dahil mag-a-attend tayo ng function, guys, maglalagay ako ng red nail polish. Oops. Maging maganda yung ating mga kuko. Napakahangin. Tapos nag-ihip ng anin. Kahit ako lang, kaya ko naman. Makatipid pa tayo. Na guys, so diba? Kahit ako lang, kaya ko. Simple. And, tipid. Tipid pa tayo. Maglalagay din ako sa paa, guys. Tignan nyo sa labas, guys. Pagpakita ko sa kanyo, sobrang init. Ayan. Super init, guys. Ba't mahangin? Naka-off lang yung light. And super init. Going to a function, guys. So Hannah is here. Say hello to the guys. Look at her makeup. Oh, she's really an Indian girl. Beautiful girl. Let's go to the function.
Uncle.
The food. Lakshmi.
So nice.
Oh, this one's sweet.
Take it again. This one.
Which one you like?
This one try. This one nice. Try all of them. Try. No problem. Happy, yeah.
No. Yeah, just choose Team Boy. Team Boy or Team Girl? Next to me. Team Girl or Boy? Which one you like? Team Boy or Girl? Okay, put sticker. Put a sticker.
The baby girl, any festive.
Then take sticker and put them. One only, okay? Okay, I choose boy. You girl, me boy, huh? Okay. Yeah.
You so girl.
No. Me boy. Okay? Me boy, ah? You girl. So no, must make everything like this. Team boy for mommy. Boys, so many boys. For you? Okay, go. Faster, come. There. Put there. There? Okay. Alright, yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For baby girl, huh?
Alright, very.
Kain na tayo, guys. Ayan. Kain na.
Ready, Baba?
Video is it?
Yeah. Come on. Akan namin ang samara. Itu makan. Itu makan. Makan. Itu.
Thank you.
Itu.
Team girl or boy? Then. Hala, kita mga. All the best. Bye.
What they say?
Not yet. Wait for it.
Huh?
Wait for it. Yung party, guys, so maya mag-uwi na tayo, but si Lakshmi nag-i-enjoy pa rin siyang makipaglaro doon sa loob. mga bisita nagsipag-uwian na rin. So, itong kulot ko. Ayan, nandiyan pa rin yung kulot ko. Kami sa bahay, guys. And enjoy. Full. Busog kami. And happy. Thank you for watching. Good night.
Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that